All right. Okay, so we're going to have a simple exercise for finger picking so that our transitions between chords are smooth. And this is just one pattern of probably gazillions that we can eventually explore. Yeah, all at once, gazillions all at once. The chords we're going to do are C, F, and G7, and we're going to do two measures of each. Now, all I'm doing with my right hand, I'm in my finger picking position. The down beat, the first beat in the measure, is the thumb. And the last note in the measure is my ring finger, the A string, the G string and the A string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the exercise can be something like this. This is not written in stone. You create your own exercise. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now an F. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And a G7. And a C. Just those three chords that you're very comfortable with. And use this technique as you're learning more complex finger picking patterns, because this is the grunt work, this is the wood shedding part. Now let's reverse the order of this finger picking pattern. Instead of going from our nose to the floor, let's go from the floor to our nose. It's a totally different feeling and flavor. So it's going to look like this. And it might feel very new to you. Good. Woodshed it. Let's try it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. F. It's very soothing, isn't it? G7. And C. Okay, let's do the motif again, and let's close our eyes. C. F. G7. C.